Well, it's important that if you have any drains, that you make sure that they don't pull or hang or drag on the ground. So I usually tell my patients, you can even go online and buy something like a bag that you can tuck them into if you don't want to do that. I tell patients if you have an old shoelace around, there's like usually a little tab on the drains. You can string the tab through with the shoelace, make sure it's long, and then tie it around your neck like a necklace. That'll make sure that the drains are not dragging on the floor, hanging down. And then you can go ahead and shower with a non-scented soap. And I would make sure that it's okay with your doctor first to shower at that time interval. And then make sure you pat dry and lotion if that's okay with your doctor. But usually if you can shower, that's okay for non-scented lotion, and making sure that all the drains are taken care of and never dragging. The incisions are only very gently rubbed with your fingers, no scraping with the nails or dirty instruments like a loofah or anything like that. And make sure that we're very, very gentle with the incisions.